In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see discontinued items on Temu. If you have ever found a product on Temu that suddenly disappeared, shows as unavailable, or cannot be purchased anymore, this tutorial will help you understand how discontinued items work and what you can still do to view or track them on the platform. To begin, open your preferred browser or the Temu app on your device. Once you are ready, go to the official Temu.com website and sign into your account. Make sure you are logged into the same account you used when you originally viewed or purchased the item, because product history is tied directly to your profile. After signing in, navigate to your account area where your activity is stored. This is where Temu keeps track of your orders, browsing history, and previously viewed products. In many cases, discontinued or unavailable items may still appear indirectly through your order history or saved activity sections, even if they are no longer actively listed in the store. If you are trying to find a product you previously saw, go to your order history and check past purchases. Even if the item is discontinued, the record of the order will usually remain visible in your account. This can help you confirm the exact product you are looking for and understand whether it has been removed or replaced. In some situations, Temu may also offer similar or recommended items in place of discontinued products. These alternatives often appear on the same product page or in suggestion sections, allowing you to find comparable versions from other sellers or updated listings. It is also important to understand why items become discontinued. On Temu, products may be removed due to low demand, inventory changes, supplier updates, or seasonal availability. When a product is no longer supported or restocked by sellers, it may disappear from search results entirely. Because of this, sometimes the only way to track a discontinued item is through your previous activity, saved pages, or order history, rather than searching for it directly. If the item has been fully removed from the platform, it may no longer be accessible through normal browsing. In certain cases, Temu may also offer notifications for items that are out of stock rather than fully discontinued. If a product is temporarily unavailable, you might still have the option to get alerts when it returns, depending on the seller's listing status. Overall, viewing discontinued items on Temu mainly depends on your account history and whether the product has been fully removed or just temporarily unavailable. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.